Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to add widgets to iPhone home screen. Let's have a look. First, swipe up and unlock your phone. Then tap and hold down anywhere on your iPhone home screen. Your phone will enter the jiggle mode. Tap plus button on top left. This will take you the widgets menu. From here you can select the widget that you want to pin to your iPhone home screen. Tap on the widget that you want to add. You can choose the widget size by swiping left or right. Select one size and shape, then tap Add Widget. That's it, widget added. Again tap on plus button on top left, then choose another widget. Dragging the widget, you can set its position. Tap Done when widgets added. So these are the steps to add widgets on iPhone home screen. If you want to delete any widget from home screen, tap and hold on the widget, then tap Remove Widget. Removing this widget will not delete any apps or data. Tap Remove or touch and hold an empty area on your screen until your apps jiggle. Tap the minus sign on the top left the widget you want to delete. For confirmation, tap Remove. That's it. These are the steps to add and remove widgets from iPhone home screen on iOS 14. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.